Unit 1, Morning Routine.
Good morning, John. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Sarah. I slept okay. How about you?
I had a good night's sleep. Ready for some breakfast?
Absolutely. What's on the menu today?
I was thinking of making some scrambled eggs, toast, and a fruit smoothie. How does that sound?
That sounds perfect. Do you need any help?
Yes, please. Can you slice the bread for toast and start the coffee?
Sure thing. Do you want a strong coffee today or just regular?
Regular is fine for me. Thanks.
No problem. By the way, did you remember to buy more milk?
Yes, I got it yesterday. It's in the fridge.
Great. I'll get started on the toast and coffee then.
I'll handle the eggs and the smoothie. Do you want strawberries or blueberries in the smoothie?
Let's go with strawberries today.
Strawberries it is. This should be ready in about 10 minutes.
Perfect timing. I need to leave for work a bit early today. I have a meeting at 9.
Okay, I'll make sure breakfast is ready quickly. Do you need anything else for your meeting?
Just my laptop and the report I worked on last night. Thanks for asking. Unit 2. At the office.
Good morning, John. How are you today?
Good morning, Emily. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Ready for the meeting with the client?
Yes, I am. I reviewed the report last night. Do you have the presentation slides ready?
Yes, I finalized them yesterday. Do you want to go over them one more time before the meeting?
That sounds like a good idea. Let's make sure everything is in order.
Sure, let's head to the conference room. We can connect my laptop to the projector.
Great. I'll bring my notes and we can cross-check the details.
By the way, did you hear about the new project that's coming up next month?
Yes, I heard a little about it. Do you have more details?
It's a big project for a major client. We're going to need to form a special team to handle it.
That sounds exciting. I'd love to be a part of that team.
I'll make sure to mention your interest to the manager.
Thanks, Emily. I appreciate it. Unit 3, Lunch Break. Hey, John. Want to grab some lunch?
Hey, Mark. Sure, I'm starving. Where do you want to go?
How about that new Italian place down the street?
Sounds good to me. I've heard good things about their pasta.
Great, let's head there. It's nice to take a break from the office and get some fresh air.
Absolutely. It's been a busy morning. How's your day going?
Pretty good. Just finished a big project, so I'm feeling accomplished.
That's awesome. What was the project about?
We were developing a new marketing strategy for one of our clients. Took a lot of brainstorming and planning.
Sounds intense. I'm glad it went well.
Thanks. So, what's new with you?
Just the usual. Had a meeting with a client this morning. It went pretty well.
That's good to hear. Here we are. Let's see what's on the menu.
Everything looks delicious. I think I'll go with the lasagna. What about you?
I'm gonna try the spaghetti carbonara. I've heard it's amazing.
Great choice. Let's order and enjoy our lunch.
Unit 4, Evening at Home.
Hi, John. How was your day?
Hi, Sarah. My day was good but quite busy. How about yours?
It was productive. I managed to finish the project I was working on.
That's great news. Do you want to relax and watch a movie tonight?
That sounds perfect. I've been looking forward to unwinding. Do you have a movie in mind?
How about that new action film that just came out?
Sure, I've heard good reviews about it. Let's watch it.
Great. I'll set it up. Do you want some popcorn?
Yes, please. And maybe a glass of wine?
Absolutely. Red or white?
Red, please.
Coming right up. I'll get everything ready.
Thanks, John. This is exactly what I needed after a long day.
Me too. Let's enjoy the movie and relax. Unit 5, Weekend Shopping.
Hey, Sarah. Ready for our shopping spree?
Hi, Lisa. Yes, I'm so excited. It's been a while since we had a girls' day out.
Definitely. Where should we start?
How about we check out that new boutique on Main Street?
Sounds good. I've heard they have a great summer collection.
Perfect. I'm looking for a new dress for the party next weekend.
Great. Let's head over there.
Wow, look at these dresses. They're so pretty.
I know, right? Which one do you like?
I'm torn between this blue one and the red one. What do you think?
I think the blue one would look stunning on you.
Thanks, Lisa. I think I'll try it on.
Sure, I'll look around for some accessories.
I love this dress. I'm definitely getting it.
It looks amazing on you. I found these earrings that would go perfectly with it.
They're beautiful. Thanks for helping me pick them out.
No problem. Let's pay for these and then grab some coffee.
Sounds like a plan.
Unit 6, Family Dinner. Characters: Sarah, John, and their children, Emma and Jake.
Mom, what's for dinner tonight?
We're having spaghetti with meatballs and a side salad.
Yay, I love spaghetti.
That sounds delicious. Do you need any help, Sarah?
Yes, could you set the table and help the kids with their homework?
Sure thing. Kids, let's get your homework done before dinner.
Okay, Dad. I just have a math worksheet.
I need help with my science project.
Let's tackle Emma's worksheet first, and then we'll work on your project, Jake.
Thanks for helping out, John. Dinner will be ready in about 20 minutes. How was everyone's day?
It was good. We had a fun art class today.
We learned about volcanoes in science class. It was really interesting.
That sounds fun. My day was busy but productive.
I'm glad everyone had a good day. Let's enjoy our dinner.
This spaghetti is delicious, Mom.
Yeah, it's really good.
Great dinner, Sarah. Thanks for cooking.
You're welcome. I'm happy we can all have dinner together.
Unit 7, Exercise at the Gym. Hey John, ready for your workout?
Hi, Mike. Yes, I'm ready. What's on the agenda today?
We're going to focus on strength training today. Let's start with some warm-up exercises.
Sounds good. Let's get started.
We'll do some jumping jacks and stretching first. Great job. Now let's move on to some weightlifting. We'll start with the bench press.
Okay, how many sets are we doing?
We'll do 3 sets of 10 reps each.
Got it. Let's do this.
Excellent work, John. Now we'll move on to the squats.
All right. How much weight should I use?
Start with what you're comfortable with and we can increase it gradually.
Sounds good.
Great session today, John. You're making good progress.
Thanks, Mike. I feel good. See you next week?
Definitely. Keep up the good work. Unit 8, Visiting the Doctor. Good afternoon, Sarah. How are you feeling today?
Good afternoon, Dr. Smith. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms are you experiencing?
I've been having a sore throat and a headache for the past few days.
Let's take a look. Open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Your throat looks a bit inflamed. Have you been running a fever?
Yes, I had a mild fever yesterday.
It sounds like you might have a viral infection. I'll prescribe you some medication to help with the symptoms.
Thank you, Dr. Smith. Is there anything else I should do?
Make sure to get plenty of rest, drink lots of fluids, and avoid strenuous activities.
I will. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. If your symptoms persist or worsen, please come back and see me.
I will. Thank you again.